Need a faster way to move pallets in your warehouse? We have the solution. Atlantic Rack's Pallet Shuttle system speeds up loading and unloading times while saving you space. It's perfect for warehouses storing high volumes of the same product. Our system reduces forklift travel, increases efficiency, and handles heavy loads with ease. Stop wasting time, money, and storage potential. Every square foot in your warehouse should be working for you and not against you. Want to streamline your operations? Click the link, contact us, and get a free quote. Let's get to work today.